Hi everyone, Armine Bazikyan here from Bazikyan Law Group. I thought it would be nice to revisit some life insurance mistakes this month because I'm still seeing them in some of the policies that my clients had, so I thought that I would put out this PSA about life insurance. Here are 4 life insurance mistakes that I'm actually seeing on a regular basis, which worries me. So the first mistake that I'm seeing, which we've talked about in the past, is life insurance policies where parents or grandparents name little kids as beneficiaries, kids under the age of 18. Anytime that you name a minor as a beneficiary of your life insurance, we've talked about this in the past, they don't necessarily get that money when you pass away. If they're under 18, they need, it kind of gets locked up and locked away until they're 18, and then they get handed that money at 18. So please, please, do not name minors as beneficiaries of your life insurance. The right way of doing it is to set up a trust and name the trust to be the beneficiary. And then in the trust, you'll designate other ages or conditions that the guardian can actually use the money when they're under 18. So be aware of that one mistake. The second mistake that I still see is incorrect beneficiary names. So if you do have a trust and you've named the trust to be a beneficiary, I'm seeing that they're not titled correctly. So I don't know if this is like a space issue with some companies. They don't have enough space to write out the full name of the trust, or the agent just doesn't know what they're doing. I don't know what the problem is with life insurance policy designations, but the problem I'm seeing is that the beneficiary name is being written out incorrectly. And although that's not a big issue to you now, while you're alive, when you're gone, there will be a problem for the beneficiary to get paid or the trust to be dispersed that amount if there is an ambiguity or discrepancy in the trust name. So make sure that you have the correct name designated. And then the third mistake that I see, which is again pretty common, is people don't visit their life insurance policies very often. They kind of write up a policy and then they throw it aside for 5, 6, 7, 10 years and they don't revisit. So I want my clients to revisit their life insurance policies every 3 years or so. So contact your life insurance agent and say, hey, it's been 3 years. Can we just review what I have? And can you just refresh my memory and tell me how it works and what's actually gonna happen? This is very important because policies, although the policies don't change, there's different products that come out that might be better for you, or maybe at the time that you did this policy, you had a different purpose in mind and life has changed and you have different ideas of what you want that policy to do for you, how you want that money to act for you. So make sure that you are revisiting your policy every 3 years. And finally, the fourth mistake that I see that is extremely problematic is there is no backup beneficiary named on life insurance policies. So a lot of times clients will name one person and then there is no backup to that person. So I always want you to think of contingency plans. What happens if the person you've named is not there? Who else do you want to give it to? So make sure that you have backup beneficiaries named. It's very, very important. So that was it, guys. These were the 4 life insurance mistakes that I see still to this day. So please make sure that you're aware of it. If you have any questions, we offer free consultations. Feel free to call our office and I'd be happy to sit down and talk to you. We're not life insurance agents. I want to put that out there. We are a trust firm. We help people set up estate plans and administer trust and probate estates. So please consult with your life insurance agents if you have questions about your life insurance policies. Thanks. Bye-bye.